Bitcoin is it's on the tip of everybody's tongue, and a lot of people are involved with it. If you look at Google, it's one of the top searches on Google. What is behind Bitcoin and why is it such a big deal? And should you buy it? I don't know if you'd call it an investment. I don't think you'd even call it a security. And I think regulators are still trying to define exactly what Bitcoin is. But it's a cryptocurrency. And I don't even know if you want to call it a currency. A currency is something that people use as a middle thing to exchange products and services. If the US government told the IRS to accept currency in the form of shells, then everybody would be collecting as many shells as they could get, and the price of shells would rise pretty dramatically. Everybody, we'd all be at the beach looking for shells, right? You see what it says on a dollar bill, any currency. This is legal tender. So is Bitcoin even a currency? If people are willing to exchange Bitcoin for products and services, I guess you could say that's a currency. I mean, could barter be a currency? Hey, I'm going to pay you with products and services that you need, and you're going to do things for me that I need. Does the government want that? Does the government want to lose control of its currency, of its ability to see it and control the supply? I don't think so. So the reason Bitcoin goes up is twofold. It goes up because investors see it going up, so they automatically think there must be something good and they went in on it. It goes up, it validates their decision. That's the keyword, validates. So they're satisfied, it went up, and then more investors see it go up, and that becomes a momentum play. The other reason why Bitcoin goes up is because of the merciless, endless printing of US dollars. Right now, what keeps the dollar worth something, even though the Federal Reserve is printing trillions and trillions of dollars, is because we're issuing IOUs against it. We're issuing treasury securities. Those are the IOUs, bonds. So foreigners, investors, US investors as well, they buy the treasury securities. So there's an IOU, and then we get dollars. That's how we grow the dollars. So we keep issuing more and more debt. Could it go on and on and on? As long as the US will pay on its debts, will pay interest and principal, and it's guaranteed, so we could just print money if we owe money. Right now, investors are willing to accept that, but there's a cohort of people in the world who think that if you're going to make the dollar worthless, then I need some other store of value that's finite. I've worked my whole life, I've accumulated dollars, my stocks are priced in dollars, my home is priced in dollars, but if the dollar is worthless, then my assets aren't really worth much, and I need these assets to live on and to rely on and for my personal and financial security. So I need to own something else. And it looks like the only thing that's come around other than silver and gold and maybe, palladium and diamonds and other precious metals and jewelry is cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin.